Welcome to the Gun Show. I am the Gunman, and today realized how keeping calm in situations can make all the difference. It can actually make you laugh a little bit, even in a non-laughing time. And no, I'm not talking about dark humor or anything like that, but attitudes and whatnot. If you're able to keep your calm, keep your cool, keep your head together, you have a better chance of, ending the situation quicker and without incident. So remember, breathe and calm down. Without further ado, yeah, at the end of the day, you get to laugh off whatever happened and go on, go to bed, have a good day, and have fun. Because if you ain't having fun doing what you're doing, why are you doing it?